All right, let's talk about the two biggest ideas in all of economics, micro and macro.
They seem like opposites, right? But they're really just two sides of the very same coin. And the names kind of give it away. They come from the Greek words for small and large.
So the best way to get this is the classic trees versus the forest analogy. Micro focuses on the individual trees. Macro, that's the whole forest. Let's break it down.
So micro is all about the small stuff, your choices, one company's moves, that kind of thing.
Economist A.P. Lerner put it perfectly. He said it's like looking at the economy through a microscope. And that's why its main focus is what we call price theory. It's all about individual prices. This whole idea was made famous by Alfred Marshall, way back in his 1890 book. But what happens when the problem isn't just one tree, but the entire forest is sick?
That's exactly what happened during the Great Depression. The old microview just wasn't enough.
And this is where John Maynard Keynes comes in. He basically invented the tools for the big picture.
And just like that, macroeconomics was born. It looks at the whole economy, all rolled into one.
So its main focus isn't just price. It's about a whole country's income and employment.
Okay, so how do they actually work? Well, it all comes down to their different methods.
Micro uses what's called the slicing method. It slices up the economy to study each little piece.
And macro, it uses the lumping method. It just lumps everything together to see the big system.
So, okay, why should you actually care about any of this? Why do you need to know both?
Well, micro helps businesses figure out prices, and it helps you make better choices with your money.
And macro, that helps governments fight huge problems like inflation and unemployment for everyone.
Okay, here it is. This is your ultimate cheat sheet, breaking down all the key differences.
So now you've got the toolkit, the microscope, and the wide-angle lens. What are you going to look at first?